Hi, this is Danielle. It's April 16th, 2011, and we had a group talk today, which the topic was about trivia. So trivia is basically random facts, or basically something that's not too important, but they're just like really random things. So like an example of trivia is the world's fastest animal is a cheetah. So that's kind of like a tidbit or trivia. Okay, and some mistakes we had today. So someone kind of confused the difference between one and person. So she said, I saw a famous one in Tokyo. So usually we don't say that because I guess there's multiple famous people. So you would usually say, I saw a famous person in Tokyo. And then another confusion is satin and silk. So someone said she had satin hair, and they meant to say she had silky hair. So like silky hair, it's like silk. It's very fine, very shiny, very beautiful, and very soft. So some new vocabulary we learned today is aural, not to be confused with oral. So oral is speaking, but aural is listening. So this is connected with hearing or listening. So an example of aural is oral English comprehension tests are very hard. So those tests that you take for English, where you listen to the recording and you try to understand the recording, that's usually an oral comprehension type test. Another new word is pulse. So this is basically a regular beat of blood as it's sent around the body, which can be usually felt in certain areas. So like you can feel it when you're on your neck, like here, or on your wrist. So usually when you go to the doctor, they try to check your pulse, or after you run, you check your pulse. So an example of this is I always check my pulse while working out to make sure it's a healthy beat. So usually when you check your pulse, there's a certain count, maybe like a 10-second or 1-minute count, and you check how many beats you get. Another new word is semantic. So this is a term usually used in linguistics or psychology, which is the connection of the meaning to two words and sentences. So an example of this is one of the best ways of remembering certain memory is semantically. So say you want to remember something, you might connect a certain meaning to it. So for the word, so say for the word dog, you might connect maybe the sounds or what the dictionary definition is of dog, or maybe an image. So that's all kind of semantic. So another, in the last word, is clone. So this is basically to produce a complete copy, like 100% the same, of an animal or plant, either naturally or artificially, by taking the DNA or cells from the original plant or animal. So if anyone has read news in the past, they were trying to clone sheep, and I think they were somewhat successful. So an example of clone is many futuristic movies like to include clones and test tube babies. So I think in, what was the movie? Brave New World, or book, it's a book. If you ever read Brave New World, I think they have cloning in that book. It's a very strange book, so if you like strange books, go read it. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!